Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Overwatch-2 login error, and the error you get on the screen is LC-208 disconnected from the game server. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing Overwatch-2 login error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, first of all, you need to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. For that, you need to click on Start menu, then type here settings, click on settings. Guys, in left section you can see your system, just click on the system. Come to the right section, you can see here troubleshoot, click on the troubleshoot. Last option you can see other troubleshooter, just click on that. Under other troubleshooters you can see your internet connection, just click on the run, and you need to wait for some time to complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window and close this window. Guys, after trying the first method, if still you are facing the issue, then try the second method. Just click on the start menu, then type here control panel. Click on control panel. Guys, you can see here view by. If it is selected as large icon, you just need to select as category. After that, you can see here system and security, just click on that. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. Guys, in left section you can see here restore default, just click on that and click on restore default. Just click on yes and close this window. Guys, this was the second method. After that, I will show you the third method. Click on start menu. Again, you need to type control panel. Click on control panel. In this you can see network and internet. Just click on that. Click on network and sharing center. In left section you can see here change adapter setting. Just click on that. Here you have to select which network you are using. If you are using wired network, just select this one, or if you are using Wi-Fi, you can select this one. I am using the Wi-Fi, then I will show you on the Wi-Fi how to do the settings. Just right click on that Wi-Fi, click on properties. In this you can see internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP4. Just select and click on properties. Guys, in this you can see use the following DNS server address. Here you have to type 8.8.8.8. Come to the alternate DNS server. Here you need to type 8.8.4.4. After that, click OK and close this. And close this window. Close this window. Guys, after doing this, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Overwatch-2 login error. And the error you get on the screen is LC-208 disconnected from the game server. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.